You can't afford to miss this. In extreme environments, how can a video recording system stay so stable and reliable? Introducing the industrial-grade recording solution designed for mobile vehicles, traffic hubs, and military operations, the Ruggedized NVR by ACTi. Built with military-grade specs and unbeatable value, this device will change the way you think about NVRs. First, let's talk about the ACTi Ruggedized NVR's industrial-grade aluminum chassis. This is no ordinary housing. It's built to withstand heat, humidity, dust, and vibration. In harsh environments like patrol vehicles, ambulances, or highway control stations, typical NVRs fail fast. But ACTi stays rock solid, ensuring no video loss at any moment. Next, the built-in 4PoE ports are a game changer. The ACTi Ruggedized NVR powers and connects up to 4 IP cameras directly. No need for external switches or power injectors. Whether in a mobile surveillance van, traffic control cabinet, or military fleet vehicle, this cuts installation time, saves cost, and simplifies deployment. Third, this unit is fully certified with both EMARC and EN 50155. That means it's built for vehicle-based deployments with anti-vibration, EMI protection, and power stability. From bus fleets to border patrol trucks and railway command centers, this is your ultimate reliable recording backbone. Fourth, the anti-vibration design ensures your footage stays stable even on the move, whether on a bumpy road in a patrol car, military vehicle, or ambulance. The ACTi Ruggedized NVR captures everything without a frame drop. Reliability redefined. Lastly, it comes with Windows 11 IoT Enterprise pre-installed. This gives you full flexibility to customize your NVR software, remote manage, and streamline updates. For government fleets, military control rooms, or traffic authorities, this means fewer maintenance calls and faster deployments. Deploy more units, cover more zones, and increase your operational effectiveness without exceeding your budget. Ready to upgrade your security system? Click below to explore the ACTi Ruggedized NVR. Let's build the toughest, smartest, and most efficient video surveillance system together, one that never quits, even in the harshest conditions. Don't wait, act now.